Hello everybody, I'm excited to share with you this delicious, nutritious chicken stew dinner recipe to make for your family. It's so easy, you will absolutely nail it. Let's do it. This stew is so simple. We just prepare our produce and chicken, add everything to the pot as we go. Simply quarter the potatoes and mushroom, chop the onion, mince the garlic, and slice chicken into 1.5-inch square pieces. The hard part is done. Awesome! Great job everyone. So now we just brown everything on high heat and add our spices and seasoning. To brown, we let it cook undisturbed for 5 minutes. Stir especially the bottom so it won't get burned. Cook for another 5 minutes, stir and repeat for a total of 15 minutes. During that time, we can start cleaning, play with our babies, and making our carbs. This stew goes great with rice, pasta or noodles, and of course bread. And you want non-sweet bread, for example Italian, baguette, sourdough, flatbread, are great options. After 15 minutes of browning on high heat for flavor developing, we now add the rest of ingredients. We have diced tomatoes, water, chicken broth, tomato paste, and bay leaves. You can dose 1/3 of the tomato can for the water and the whole can for the chicken broth. No need to dirty a measuring cup. Now stir up, reduce heat to low, cover, let it simmer for 45 minutes and our stew will be ready for dinner. I'm so excited. 45 minutes later, the house smells amazing. Alright guys, a quick stir, final season to taste, and it's ready to serve with your choice of carb. I have some rice here for tonight, so it's gonna be delicious. And that is it, an easy but yummy dinner for the whole family with this chicken stew. Let me know if you have any question and I would love to see your comment. Thank you for joining me today. You have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.